grows under the palm trees. Golden sunlight on your smiling face. Soft sea wind, we found our place. Footprints dancing on the sandy shore. Every heartbeat makes me love you more. The waves keep singing our sweet song. With you beside me I belong. Every sunset paints the sky like your love shining in my eyes. No worries, no fears tonight. Everything just feels so right. Hand in hand, forever free. You and I beside the sea. Love under palm trees, swaying with the island breeze. Every kiss feels so alive. You're the reason that I smile. Oh, love under palm trees, simple hearts in harmony. Nothing else we'll ever need, just your love surrounding me. Morning coffee by the shore makes me want you even more. Laughing while the seagulls fly, watching dreams across the sky. Every little thing you do feels like paradise with you. No expensive diamond rings, your love is worth everything. If the night becomes the rain, I'll be dancing just the same. Through the sunshine, through the storm, you'll forever keep me warm. Our story flows just like the tide, with endless love we cannot hide. Palm trees whisper in the air, telling us we're meant to share. Love under palm trees, moving with the melody. Ocean waves and reggae sound, this is where our hearts are found. Oh, love under palm trees, growing through eternity. Every sunrise, every sea, you'll always be my destiny. Oh yeah, forever by the sea. Love under palm trees, only you and me. Under the palm trees.